Holy crap. So we're about to go see Star Wars Rogue One. We wanted to go on Christmas Day. It didn't quite work out. Then we tried to go, I guess and so then they only show the English version, like one on Christmas Day and then one tonight. So we're gonna go, and yeah, I don't know, what do you think? So,
well,
expectations?
I heard good things, and Star Wars. Haven't seen a bad Star Wars yet except for the first one, episode 1.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's windy. And also today is the day. Sorry, it's gonna be windy. I don't know. Don't know if you can you hear me? Today is the day that Carrie Fisher died, so it's quite fitting that we're going to see Star Wars.
I don't know if it's fitting, but it's like a weird coincidence.
It's like so windy. There's been like a wind advisory. Oh, wind. For like 3 days or something. We made it in time. So we just got out of the movie. It's like 12:30 or something. But yeah, what'd you think?
I thought it was really good. I thought it was kind of weird because like the last Star Wars movie was like super modern and everything was like new and stuff.
Yeah.
And then this one was like the opposite. Like they went back to like the old styles and stuff, like old like feel.
Yeah.
Which is kind of cool too, though. Like they did a really good job like with it.
Yeah, I was like the whole time trying to piece together in my head what comes next, like which movie comes after this movie. I was like, oh yeah, this happened because, and this guy, yeah, it was like kind of confusing, but then I finally got it all, like eventually.
I mean, yeah, they like came really close in the end, like to like the first movie ever. Like,
yeah.
It was really cool actually. I really liked the moment. I like this whole thing about altruism. It wasn't all about altruism.
Yeah, I was just trying to say, but yeah, and the ending was crazy. Like, yeah, I don't know.
Too many people died though. Shall we get going home?
Yeah, so we walked here. It's kind of nice because it's like 10-15 minutes away. So it's kind of nice to walk, so we don't have to park and pay for parking and everything. I just love living in the city. Happy New Year! Kind of Happy New Year's Eve. So we're about to go to Remo's family and celebrate, and we bought fireworks. We got this stick that I wanted. It's like one of those, like, I don't know what it's called, that you light it and then it's like sparkler. So I got the sparkler, and then Remo got this bomb that he wanted. We got some more fireworks, and yeah, yesterday we went to go get fireworks and they were all sold out everywhere because apparently fireworks are a big deal for New Year's here. And all day there's been fireworks going off randomly. Not right now.
You can actually hear them in the background a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know even where. Maybe like somewhere around the city. People are just lighting stuff off. Is it illegal like every day except today, or?
Yeah, pretty much. I think it's fine now in the evening. I don't know. I don't know what the rules are actually was.
Yeah, I don't know what the rules are in the US. I think like in Arizona at least, because it's different per state, I think. But in Arizona, since it's so dry, I don't think you can have like the high ones. I think there's like a limit on how high it can go. But yeah. So anyways, we got tons of fireworks, and I know Remo's brother got some fireworks too. And then yeah, we're gonna do like a cheese fondue, which is cool. I've never done one. I've only done chocolate fondue. And every time I try to go get like stuff to bring for the cheese fondue, I always find stuff that like does not sound good with cheese, but for some reason I can't like get it in my head. Like I wanted to bring bananas because to me that sounds good, like, but that's more chocolate. Anyways, happy Sylvester. How do you say it in German? Frohliche Sylvester?
No, it's not Christmas.
I don't know. Glücklich?
Man sagt, if you want to like say Happy New Year, it's like you say before New Year's Eve, you say like Guten Rutsch. Like it's like.
That's what. Okay, we were at the store yesterday and the lady, the checkout lady, she said that, but I thought she was saying good wishes. And I was like, oh, thanks. Like New Year's resolutions.
Guten Rutsch, yeah.
Okay.
And then you can also say, what is the other thing? No, I'm just thinking about fröhliche.
You just say like,
Frohes neues Jahr.
New Year is called Sylvester here. I don't know why. Do you know why? I already asked him. He didn't know, right?
No idea.
We're gonna party it up. Oh, there was a firework. Did you hear it? Yeah, probably not. That was really quiet actually. But even yesterday, last night, I saw a couple like really big fireworks that were up over the buildings. Yeah. Oh, and so it's traditional here to get Berliners. They're like jelly-filled donuts, and I never knew what they were, except I only know the story of Ich bin ein Berliner. Is that JFK?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the only way I know what even that is because of that story. But anyways, we got some. Yeah, so I'm excited to try my first Berliner. And it's apparently like a traditional Sylvester thing is to have like a Berliner party, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Schnell, Remo, weg, ich weiß nicht, wo die ist.
Gee.
So klein.
Oh.
Aber Vorsicht, das ist da oben ganz heiß, also nicht an andere Leute ranreißen.
Genau, und immer hochhalten.
Linnea, willst du auch eine haben?
Ich möchte keine!
Bist du sicher, du willst keine haben?
Ja.
Ich hab das gesehen,
Genau.
wie ich hier den Boden angepackt habe.
Let it twice.
Oh, yeah, that's weird.
These are Remo's loud boom ones that he wanted.
Cuban thingies.
Do it. Let's hear it. Holy crap. Okay, ready? I light and throw.
Yeah,
I don't think I lit it.
it wasn't it yet, babe.
Guys, there's so many fireworks. It's so crazy. Like every house around us is just random.
And it's not even close yet, like to 12.
Yeah, it's like 7 or something, 7:30. It's crazy.
It's
Can't-
early still. It's
As
8:30.
it's 8:30. But as I say that, there's nothing. Oh, there's one. But you can't really see anything. You just hear them. Crazy. So much smoke in the air. Like
Already,
everywhere around. Oh, that's cool. Can't really see it. Remo has an idea.
I'm gonna blow up one of my nice big ones underneath this and see if it like flies. So we're gonna do it like this, so it doesn't fly towards us. This should work.
Okay.
I lit it differently earlier with the candle.
That's so scary. Every time I jump so high.
Okay, let's go inside and join this.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Ein Berliner Viertel.
What?
It's a fourth of a Berliner.
My taste test. Mmm. That looks pretty good. It's almost time. Almost time. We're just lighting the rest. And everyone else has already lit theirs.
Hammer! 40 bis 50 Meter hoch. Das haut ja rein, ey, meine Güte. Alter, merkst du den Rücken? Yay! New Year's! Yay!
Happy New Year. So many fireworks, I don't know where to look. Smoke everywhere. So cool. Have you ever seen so many fireworks in your life?
Actually, I have.
You
I'm
have.
German, yeah. It's like everywhere. I'm impressed like how much they have.
There's so much smoke in there. I can't even see anywhere near you. Crazy. How much money are these people spending? Holy crap.
That's $400 for each of them.
Imagine if we were like in the city right now, in Lüneburg.
Oh, in Lüneburg, it's gonna be crazy right now.
Wouldn't it be insane?
Too bad we missed that, you know?
Yeah, but this is insane. This is just people's houses, guys. This isn't even like...
This is out like in the boonies. It's just a neighborhood. And they go crazy. Like, I mean, it's like a nice neighborhood, but still.
Yeah, but it's a
like,
private neighborhood. This isn't even like a city thing. This is just people doing fireworks. Street cleanup. Street is so dirty, it's insane. Crazy. How long do you think it's been?
Yeah, it's
It's
21
been
minutes.
21 minutes.
21 minutes and they're still crazy. Go, Germany rock.
These people, I think, win Either these people or the people right next to us.
I think those people would.
We're gonna go inside after 33 minutes. Crazy. Happy New Year. Can you believe it's 2017?
No, that's crazy. It's 2017 now.
What's your New Year's resolution?
Be a better me.
That's a terrible resolution. You have to have a
No.
goal. Mine is to learn German, but this time next year be fluent in German.
Okay.
And also mine is to do more things that scare me
Yeah, I think that's an important one that you need every year, kind of.
every
Do more
day.
things that you're scared of.
Yeah.
My brother's waiting for
Yeah,
us.
okay. Last night was a bit nutsies. I think I basically mostly filmed like 10 hours of fireworks because I thought it was super cool, so I just kept recording it. Happy 2017. 2016 was like actually insane. Yeah, I moved to Germany and I had like 100 firsts that I went through, and I like had so many mistakes as well, and I feel like I became like such a stronger person in 2016. You know that there's like so many people saying 2016 was such a terrible year, but I feel like 2016 was a really great year and it was full of so many surprises. Yeah, and I just hope 2017 will be an even better year, and hopefully my main goal of 2017 is to advance my German like insane and start my classes. And it's so crazy, I will be turning 25 in 2017, which is like crazy. I think I feel so old. Frohes neues Jahr und bis nächste Woche. Bye, tschüss.